Hi friends, welcome to Swati Surbhi Astro. Hope you all are doing well nowadays. Today in this video, we would be discussing about the 2025 predictions for the Leo zodiac sign people. Now, how are Leos? Leos are known for their charisma, for their shining personality, for their shining aura, for their dominance, and for their confidence and also for their high self-esteem. In general, 2025 seems to be like a roller coaster ride for the Leo sign people. This year can test your patience on many levels and can even require you to work much harder than usual. This is a year which can require you to make certain attitudinal changes in your life, and doing so can benefit you in the coming years too. This is a year which can bring huge transformations in your life, and hence 2025 can be a very important year for you. Now, in this video, I have divided the year 2025 into three significant periods depending upon the major planetary transits of Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. The first period beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025. The second period beginning from 31st March 2025 and staying till 18th May 2025. And the third period beginning from 19th May 2025 and staying till the end of the year or till 31st December 2025. So I would be telling you as we proceed ahead in this video that what all the Leo zodiac sign people can expect for themselves in each of these significant periods, and also what can be done by the Leo zodiac sign people to make the most of each of these significant periods of the year 2025. So please do watch this video till the end to gain the maximum knowledge through it. Now, for the first period, beginning from 1st January till 30th March 2025, in this period, Jupiter would be present in your 10th house, Saturn would be present in your 7th house, Rahu would be present in your 8th house, and Ketu would be present in your 2nd house. On the career front, this can be a very good period for you. You can be appreciated both by your superiors as well as by your subordinates. You can be able to do all your tasks in an efficient manner and also before time. You can be looked upon by others and as an inspiration in their lives. Students of the Leo zodiac sign trying to crack government job examinations, this is a very crucial period for you because you can be able to perform exceedingly well in the competitive examinations in this duration. On the financial front, this seems to be an average period for you. You can gain from property related work. You can also purchase your own property or you can even build your own house in this period. However, there can be a stagnation in your own earnings and you can be required to do better financial planning. On the marital front, this seems to be a challenging time for you. In case you're already married, there can be problems in your married life. Some unexpected challenges can all of a sudden happen. You can feel neglected by your spouse. You can feel disappointed by the behavior of your spouse in this period. In case you are unmarried, then there are good chances of your marriage getting fixed in this duration. Now, for the second period, beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025, for majority of this period, Jupiter would be present in your 10th house. Saturn would be present in your 8th house. Rahu would be present in your 8th house and Ketu would be present in your 2nd house. On the career front, this can be a challenging time for you. You can be required to work much harder at your place of work. You can be given some unexpected, some additional responsibilities by your superiors which can cause you discomfort in this period. You can experience a hostile environment at your workplace in this period. There can be a slowdown in the pace at which you work and your efficiency can also reduce in this period. On the financial front, this can be an average period for you. You can witness stable sources of finances mostly. However, you may also experience loss of your ancestral wealth and property, especially if you are involved in any kind of family business. You can also incur a lot of unwanted expenditures in this period. On the marital front, this can be a challenging time for you. You may not get the desired support of your spouse in this period. You can feel alone on a mental level. You can have arguments with your in-laws or with the members of your spouse's family, and this can further create problems between you and your spouse in this duration. In case you are still unmarried, then your marriage might get delayed further in this period. Now, for the third period, beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025, in this period, Jupiter would be present in your 11th house, Saturn would be present in your 8th house, Rahu would be present in your 7th house, and Ketu would be present in your 1st house. On the career front, this can be an average time for you. You can feel lethargic and might lack good level of enthusiasm to finish your tasks on time in this period. You can have ego clashes with your bosses and with your superiors at your place of work. However, in case you're a student, then you can get very good results in your studies in this period. On the financial front, this appears to be a good time for you, as you can gain from multiple sources in this period. There can be good luck and fortune witnessed by you in this period. There can also be an expansion in your network circle, and you can be able to establish contacts with important persons in this period. On the marital front, this appears to be a good time for you again. There can be lesser arguments between you and your spouse. There can be better level of understanding between you and your spouse, and your relationship with your in-laws could also improve in this period. On the health front, this also seems like a good period for you, as you can be able to maintain good physical health throughout the duration of this period. Now, remedies for the Leo zodiac sign people. So, for the period from 1st January to 30th March 2025, you should try keeping a fast every Saturday. You should try following a vegetarian diet in this period, and you should also try to maintain cordial relations even with those whom you do not have a good relationship with in this period. Now, for the second period, beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025, in this period, you should discard any non-functional or any used electronic devices at your home. You should sprinkle fresh water over your front door every day, preferably in the morning time. And you should also avoid taking any major decisions or any risky decisions in this period. For the third period, beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025, you should donate blankets or clothes to the poor on Wednesdays. You should worship Lord Ganesha on a daily basis. And you should also meditate on a daily basis so as to be able to channelize your energy in a positive manner in this period. So friends, that was all in this video. I hope you all liked this video. If you all liked it and gained even some little knowledge through this video, then please do share it with your friends and with the other members of your family. And please do subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Swati Surbhi Astro. Please also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of the videos on time. I would keep putting in